So, it is 9:30 at night. We have just stayed late to get this insignia done. Just put a radiator in it, bled it all up, got it all done the gearbox oil, got all that done, changed all the screen wash because it was stinking. So we've done that, took it outside, making sure everything was all right, and then all of a sudden, bang! I'll show you. And we have bits of auxiliary belt absolutely everywhere. Look at that. So, we all stayed late to get your car sorted for you so you could pick it up at 8:30 in the morning. But now you can't pick it up because we've done all of this work. We drove it out there and your auxiliary belt has just decided to explode on us. But guess what? They'll still turn around and go, yeah, but it was alright till you touched it, remember? It was alright till you touched it, wasn't it? It was absolutely fine. Just another day at the office. Dan, it was alright till you touched it, Dan. It was fine. It must have been